All right, Ramblers, we are at Friday at the Hershey RV Show. This place is so freaking busy. It is wall-to-wall people inside some of these RVs. We have tried to do videos, but it is...
We are riding the struggle bus.
It's bad. And people do not care for people trying to make a video.
We have not made friends this morning, and it's really hard because, we don't want to be in anybody's way, but Dan's like, well, we have a right to be here too, which we do. But we have our logos and everything, and we want people to like us. We don't want to cause
hate. Be curious. We're not second-class RV gawkers. We're first-class RV gawkers, just like everyone else.
But it's really busy today.
Well, some of these models are nuts, so we're trying our best. It's going to look choppy. It's not going to look great, but it is what it is. So let's dive in on
the rain.
Okay, before we continue, let's take a quick look at the floor plan and also some of the key specs. Feel free to pause if you'd like to take a closer look before we continue.
So this is a new offering from Keystone. This is one of their smaller RVs, single axle. Now, they have some fun stuff with it, so I think, well, let's just take a look at it. You do have these accent lights.
The color is awesome. I love the color of this.
And if you're going to have a small trailer, put some accent lights so it really stands out.
Make a statement.
Yeah. You can be small but mighty.
Show your stuff.
Exactly. All right, let's go down the side a little bit. You do have, now this is interesting, you've got this is a teeny trailer, but you have 2 sewer points. How about that? Here is your wet bay. Or maybe we could call this a wet bayette. And here's the garage. A little narrower on this side, but it does open up to the other side. I do love the paint. It's beautiful. Love that color. And the stripes are great too. Okay, let's go around to the front. There's the front cap. Very nice. Here is the other side of the garage. This one comes with a coffee, which we could all use right about now.
Okay.
This is the correct price for this unit. They got it show price at $22,995.
We have a full-size bed, some storage shelf above the bed, storage under the bed, a nice little couch here, which is comfy. You can do all of the tour just sitting right here and pointing things out. So check this out. Let's start with the fridge. We have a little Furrion fridge. Oops, it's locked here.
This is an Envision fridge.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see that. I just assumed.
We're so used to saying Furrion. Everything's a Furrion now.
Oh, is this?
Okay, while Darcy struggles with the fridge, I'm going to show the
TV.
TV.
I see. Got it.
Oh, hey, the gentleman here at Campers Inn is showing us this extra storage pocket. Oh, very nice.
And this is also a
Oh, nice.
Jackknife bed, and there is storage underneath it too. That is super cool.
Thank you.
Hey, I appreciate it. Damn you.
Me too.
You know what? This is Billy with Campers Inn. This guy is the bomb. So if you need information on these rings, you call Billy. Billy D. He's an RV matchmaker. I didn't know there was such a thing. Dude, you got it.
I love it. That's great.
Love it. Okay.
Thank you.
Billy.
Appreciate it. I still haven't figured out how to open the fridge. So here's the fridge.
Trust us, it does open.
TV, some little just countertop space, which is nice. Over here we have some hooks. We have some, not a lot, but some countertop space, which is nice. 2-burner stove. Looks like some little bit of storage in here for a couple of shoes. What is this?
That looks intriguing.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay. So pots and pans storage, which is great. Yes, small pots and pans. Microwave. Envision small. Oh, it is a convection. No.
It's just a very pretty standard microwave.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
I hope Darcy's heading to this next because
I don't really have a choice. My back is to the wall, so. Storage space back here, some storage space with netting so things don't. Oh, I'm turning on the stove.
Oh my gosh, I did that yesterday.
I know. Okay.
Inside.
All right.
Please put a safety.
Yes. Big, nice.
Oh, that's surprisingly large.
Yeah, I always get surprised that the sinks are pretty good size here. Okay, these. There we go. All right. Garbage can storage. Yes, and then
The most important room in the house.
it's not a wet bath, so that's a
That's
bonus.
plus, yeah.
And let me stand in the shower so we get an idea. The toilet is up on a pedestal. Oh, like I'm 5'10". We have about 4 more inches, so 6'2". You could be in here.
Little pole vents.
Little vent.
Oh, there's a
there.
powered vent.
No storage in here at all. Just a mirror. You have a little toilet paper holder here. I guess toothbrush. There's no sink, so you have to use sink in the kitchen to wash your hands, brush your teeth, do all that kind of stuff.
This is your control panel. You do have an awning that you can put in and out and dimmable lights. Oh, did I get the storage up here? You have this net storage up along the top. This is the most important part, the AC. That's gonna keep you cool. This is a fun little.
Yeah, I mean, it has
little
everything you
trailer.
need. No, it's great. If you just want to take something out that's super easy, I think this would be a great option. Really like it. Here's some storage under the fridge for shoes, too. So,
Okay, so they're using every little nook and cranny they can get. And there's a shelf right there above the bed. I don't know if you can see that.
Solar panel on top.
solar panel on top.
How much of a solar panel? We're gonna
220 solar panel.
so a 200-watt solar panel,
220 baht.
220. Yeah, these are really fun.
Yeah.
All right, Billy. Thank you for.
And your
showing this
camper's
off.
in where it says Philadelphia?
No, I'm actually up the Toms River, New Jersey.
Okay. All right.
If you're in New Jersey, head up there. Talk to Billy. He is an RV matchmaker. Match. Thank you so much, Billy. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Here's a quick look at the QR code if you'd like to get some more information.
Thanks for watching. We'll pin a comment where we'll share updates or additional information, and you can find the manufacturer's link in the description. And if you enjoyed this review, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It helps our channel, and we love to know who's watching. And while you're at it, drop us a comment too. We read them all, and I promise to respond. We really do love hearing from our viewers. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep it campy.